In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to group in Canva using your phone. If you've ever tried to move several design elements around in the Canva mobile app, you already know how easy it is for things to shift out of place. A text box moves too far, an icon slips out of alignment, or a shape ends up slightly off center. It can get frustrating fast, especially on a smaller screen. The good news is that Canva's mobile app gives you a simple way to group elements together so they behave like a single object, making your design process much smoother. To get started, unlock your phone and open the Canva app. From your dashboard, either scroll through your recent designs or use the search bar at the top to find the project you want to edit. Once the design opens, give it a moment to fully load, then zoom in slightly if needed so you can clearly see the elements you want to group. This helps you work more accurately, especially if the items are close together. Next, place your finger on the first element you want to include and press and hold for about 2 seconds. This long press brings up a floating menu on the screen. When you see that menu appear, you can lift your finger. That's your signal that Canva is ready for multi-selection. From that menu, swipe across the available options until you find Select Multiple, then tap it. Your first element is now selected. After that, tap each additional item you want to include in the group. These could be text boxes, icons, shapes, or images. As you select them, Canva will show that they're all part of the same active selection, making it easier to confirm you picked everything you intended. Once all your elements are selected, look at the toolbar along the bottom of the screen. Find the group option, which is usually represented by an icon with overlapping shapes or boxes, and tap it once. As soon as you do that, Canva combines those separate items into one grouped object. That means you can now move, resize, and position them together without disturbing the arrangement inside the group. Before you finish, it's a good idea to do a quick alignment check. Drag the grouped object slightly and watch for Canva's alignment guides to appear. These guides help you center your design or line it up with nearby content. When everything looks right, go to the top right area of the screen, tap the export or share option, then choose download. Select the file type that works best for your project, such as PNG for digital use or PDF print for high quality printing, and then save the final version to your device. And that's it. You now know how to group elements in Canva using your phone, making mobile design faster, cleaner, and much easier to manage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.